Here's an example from 8.1 where we're going to be converting different measurements and then arranging them from smallest to largest. So here we have the following, arranged the following quantities from smallest to largest: 1.2 kilometers, 1,000 meters, and 12,300 decimeters. And remember that there is a difference between just dm, which is decimeters, and if the abbreviation had been DAM, that would represent deca. So those are two different prefixes. So that we can compare them, let's make sure they're all in the same units, and we can choose either of the three. I'm going to stick with meters, so why don't we convert each one of these to meters. Okay, so if I want to convert 1.2 kilometers to meters, let's look and be reminded of the different prefixes. Depending on the video or how you learned it, there is a nice cute little shortcut that says King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. This D represents the deca prefix. This is the deci prefix. And the B represents the base. So in our case, that would be meters. If I want to convert 1.2 kilometers to meters, let's see how many decimal places we'll need to move. So starting at kilometers, and I want to move to meters, I would need to move 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So if my decimal place begins here, 1, 2, 3 decimal places to the right would give me 1,200 meters. And now my 1,000 meters, it's already in meters, but 12,300 decimeters, if I want to convert that to meters, here we would be starting at decimeters, and to get to meters I need to move one decimal place to the left. So my decimal place actually begins here at the end of the number. If I move one decimal place to the left, that would give me 1,230 meters. So if I'm going to arrange these like the problem asked, let's look at all of these units in meters. So if I'm going to sort them from smallest to largest, my smallest would be 1,000 meters, next would be the 1,200 meters, and then third would be 1,230 meters. So if I'm putting these values in order, the first one would be the 1,000 meters, the second one would have been the 1.2 kilometers, and the third one would have been the 12,300 decimeters.